its long history. Numerous hands have shaped Jakarta's construction, and thus, the city as we see it today seems cobbled together with very little cohesion. But now, as a new capital city is being built from the ground up, the vision of the ideal urban metropolis may yet be realized. Meet Sofyan Sibarani, founder and managing director of Urban Plus, the studio responsible for the design and master plan of Nusantara. He explains more about what kind of city they've envisioned for the new capital.
City is a complex thing, yeah, but it all boils down to the people. So a good city should be a good place for people to live, work, and play and learn. So a lot of times people are not really at the center of the planning of the city. We tend to be distracted into the system that is more complex and issues that we have to deal with. But bottom line is the people. So when we started the IKN through the competition, one of our key ideas is Nagara Rimba Nusa, a city that is situated in the forest and in the shape of the archipelago. So at the heart of that is the people that live in it. So we really need to take account what the people need, what's also the environment can help to make that city as a whole, because the city is based on the very green concept, sustainability, forest related, and also need to be smart. The challenges that we have right now is how to create a critical mass, that people at certain scale will be able to create certain vibrancy of the city that feels that the city is not empty. A lot of the capital city in the world, in the very beginning, it's felt empty and it felt like a ghost town. So that's the kind of challenges that we are facing. So you need to create places for activity to happen. Unlike, again, the learning lesson from the other city, sometimes we don't have those space because the city is already overpopulated. We don't have plaza, we don't have parks, we don't have street that is well managed. So we create those places first. But again, there is another part which is the software. How to orchestrate all this activity together. We need certain level of management of the town that can allow events to happen, that can allow public transport system to take place so people can take buses from one place to another. They can take bridges like this to get to the places. So we prepare those, but the software needs to work too, which is something that not entirely up to our plan. It's also part of the town management.
Before designing Nusantara, Urban Plus already has its fingerprints all over Jakarta, including this multi-purpose crossing bridge in Duku Atas that connects 5 different public transportation stations. So it's clear that connectivity is a key guiding philosophy for Urban Plus. But what other aspects of Urban Plus's design will be reflected in Nusantara?
Right. So basically, we want to bring the DNA of connector and also integrator. Like this Jembatan Penyeberangan Multiguna, which is JPM in Indonesia by MITJ. So actually, one of the infrastructure that can connect different points, different stations, different places, and also integrate a various of social layer and also institution layer in Jakarta. So how to bring people to easily move around and also connecting people and also connecting institution. And that become the very basic platform and very basic foundation for Jakarta city to grow. I think that's the DNA that we want to bring to Indonesia. Okay, so if we talk about the continuous development, two keywords is about the collective effort. We have to realize that actually it has to be done by a lot of parties, a lot of authorities, and a lot of institutions. Second thing is continuous, because building a city is not happening in one night. You know, as like the terms that Rome doesn't build in one night, but then IKN also have to be built, have to grow, and also in a continuous effort with a lot of parties, a lot of institutions, a lot of people. So I think what we are trying to do is layering the very basic platform, a very basic foundation, and everyone, all of Indonesian people, all of the institutions, the government, the private sector, everyone have to be chipped in and have to also put effort on top of it.
A city is more than just buildings. It's a living, breathing organism built around the people who live within it. So, building Nusantara won't be easy even with proper planning. Building a city from scratch provides many opportunities to create the ideal city, but it also comes with just as many risks. Will Nusantara become the capital city Jakarta couldn't be? Only time will tell.
Nah, kita tampil beda, tampil sesuai dengan diri kita sendiri. Itu penting sekali. Dan yang bangganya lagi, kita tidak melibatkan orang asing sama sekali.